Welcome to manage the Salon software. If you are the first time, then you have to sign up here. You can type your company name. You can enter your user ID as per your idea, as per your requirement. Email address also. Password. And you can click the sign up option. After that one, you will receive one email from our system in this register email. So after that one, you can come to the home page again and you have to click in the login option. So in the email you will receive one business code, and in the side of the business code there will be one button to click for activation. After clicking that one, you have to copy the business code and you have to enter the same business code here. If there is the capital letter in your business code, you have to follow the same structure. If small there is, then the small. If there is capital, then capital. User, password, after this one you reach in this page. This is the calendar where you can manage all your appointments as per the customer request. So in the top you can see some menus. So I'm going to explain about these menus. Here in the corner there is the Salon software. This and the dashboard will work same. If you hit in this dashboard also, it will come same. After hitting in the clicking in the dashboard, you can see in the left side, left corner, same menus: dashboard, product, categories, service, packages, user, staff, clients, which is available in the top. Only the discount, inventory and expenses are in the top side. So to explain every menu one by one, I'm going to explain every menu one by one. If you hit the appointment, in the same page you will reach there where you can book the appointment for the customer. If the customer will call you and they will ask you, please book the appointment for me this time, so you can click in the calendar which time. Here in the left corner there is the time, your opening to the closing time, or more than that time also, because every salon they have a different time. So we have kept from AM 12 AM to last in the 11:45 PM. So entire day it will cover. If even some salon they will work 24 hours, so they can use it as their time also. So there is other product option for the appointment. Let's explain more. If you want to book an appointment for the customers, you can click in the calendar and it will appear this box. So you can click on OK. After that, search the customer name here, and if there is the new customer, you can add here also. You can fill up all the name, email, phone number, address. We have already one customer, so we'll select one from the customer. Here is the service category and the services, in which category this coming for to easy to search the services. We have made the category also, because if we'll put only the service list, it will be very long and it will be hard to search. Because of that one, we have kept the option to search option also. Okay, so you can select the services, then you can assign that service as per the skill of the employer staff. And this is to assign this service to the staff is very important for another reason also. That is, every services there will be some points. So for the performance evaluation, that points is very important. So you can select as per the assigned staff name, and you will make save here, so the appointment will come here. If you want to change this appointment to the another staff, you can move it like this also. If you want to change the date up and down, you can do that also. So for the payment, after making payment, or suppose customer want to change the services, not the hair highlight, but the customer wants hair color only, so you can change the service here also. Instead of hair highlight, just delete it, delete the software this services, and add hair color, sign Mariam, or hair color, or hair only, like that. You can change and save again, so it will come as per the new service selection. It will appear in the calendar. So at the time of making payment, you can hit and click in the payment, so and you can receive the money amount payment by the card or by the cash. Both options are available, and you can make payment. If you want to write some notes about this customer related to this appointment, you can write here also and make payment. Okay, so receipt will generate, and you can print 1 copy, 2 copy, 3 copy as per your requirements. So this is the part of appointment. Now before making all this appointment, there is some setup for the company also. So we have to go first. We need to run any business, we need first the staff. So we'll add some staff. Here is already one name. There is staff and user list. Under the user list, the staff, supervisor, or the admin, company it means admin, also will come in one list. And under the staff, only the staff name and the username, their details will appear here. So this is the difference in user list and the staff list. But inside the user list, you can see all the details. The next one, we need the customers. Okay, so customer you can add here. You can see the customer name here, and then we have different kind of categories in the salon. It can be hair, it can be hair treatment, it can be hand and feet or manicure pedicure there can be the waxing also, makeup, and packages also can be one category. And the next one, service. What kind of service do you have in your salon? You can add it here. Okay, hands and feet, manicure pedicure, MANI, PEDI, pedicure, or it's per your name. In the service name, you can write it here. You can write the price of the service. If tax exclusive, it means it's not included in the main price, so you can click in the exclusive. So the amount to collect from the customer will appear here. The amount, actual original price plus VAT. Okay, it will appear here. And this tax can be different as per the country. So customer point is here, like this is the loyalty points. If you want to give some points to the customer for the payment of this amount in the future, they can encash it they can use it for the discount or for the payment. So you can give it here the points, maybe 20 you can give for the this one, or maybe 2, or maybe 200. So it's for the company rule. Star point, you can put the star point also for the performance, because if you will sell the packages, in the package they will some salon they will sell one package of the 10 services, 20 services, 5 services. So you cannot have the prices under the package. There will only one price in the package. So inside that package the services will come the 0. So if you assign here the points for each services, so you can evaluate the star performance on the basis of these star points. So duration, how many minutes, how many hour it will take to finish these services, you can mention here. So let's save it. So it will come to the service list here, many period now. So after that, if you have any packages, if you are selling any service package, bundle of service, so you can edit here. In one price you can give maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20 services together. So you can make this kind of bundle of service or package here. And the other menu is the discount. If you have a discount offer for the customer, you can edit here. New Year discount, suppose if you have, or if you want to make the Valentine discount offer or any festival offer, you can edit here. You can give the name of the discount and how many % you can give, you will give the discount, you can mention here, and the starting and ending date, from when to when, which date to which date you want to give the discount, you can mention it here. And if there is the coupon option also for another discount, if you'll give any coupon, if you'll sell any coupon, you can edit here. So you can give the coupon name, the barcode of the coupon, and the limited number of the times coupon can be used. So how many times, suppose you sold the 500 price of the coupon is the 500, and maybe sometime customer will not finish the 500 at one time, so they can use how many times that 500, you can mention it, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times as per your company policy. And discount price, how much will be the price of that coupon, and when the coupon will expire, maybe after 2 months, after 3 months, maybe 6 months. So you can mention it here, the date of expiry. Okay, and you can save it, so it will come under the list. Next, inventory, very important and very sensitive department or section of the salon, which is the inventory, because we have to manage our inventory, our stock product very well. Otherwise it can be many product will be unused or unnecessary, after expiry we have to throw. So this is the part to manage all that one. At first we have to make setup. This is the setup section. Unit, product, supplier, warehouse. We have to set up first this one. What kind of units we use it? Maybe pieces, maybe gallon, maybe bottle, maybe the boxes. So you can list it here, whatever unit you use inside the salon. So next, product, how many products or how many types of product you have to list out here. You have to add your all the product once with the barcode. And the cost price, this cost price will be changed. You can change later when you will receive your product from the supplier. You can edit and save again, you can update there also. So next one, supplier, how many supplier you purchase the product. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, many supplier can be there to give you the product for the salon. So you can add their name here. because we have to make the payment there them, so that will be our expenses also, so we have to add the add them as an expenses also later, or we have to order the product again and again, so we have to add the supplier. We have to make one list of supplier, it will be easy. And the warehouse, where you store the product inventory or stock, so you can list warehouse also. If you have 1 2 3, you can list out. Otherwise, normally all the salon, they will keep the product inside the salon, so you can give the same name also of the salon. After the setup, the unit, product, supplier, warehouse, now you can start to make the purchase order. For the purchase order, we'll go for add, click on add. After that, and you can type the supplier name and the deadline is expected date of the delivery. Here you can add the product batch, you can give the any batch number as you feel easy. Like today is 22 November, so I put the 22 November NOV at batch number, and the expiry date. Now you can select randomly, and this you can update when you receive the product from the supplier. So quantity, how many quantity do you need, and the cost is automatically by default it will come, which you have set in the product setup. In the product, as I have explained already, you have to add all the product with the cost price, with the tax, with if there is any expiry date, you have to click on the expiry, so it will appear the option to enter the expiry date. If you will uncheck that one, so it will not ask any batch number and expiry date. So we have already checked the option of the expiry, that's why it's asking the batch number and expiry date, because this is very important for any salons about the product. Product things is very sensitive for the salon, that's why we have to update and we have to check time to time the expiry date of the product. That's why if we enter here, or when we receive the product, if we enter at that time the expiry date, then system will inform if there is any expiry product. If any product is going to expire within certain time, certain days, week or month, you can mention, you can fix that one, so system will inform you by the notification. So after this one, you can save. It means simple, if you want to update it again, and if you want to change something in the future before sending this purchase order to the supplier, if you want to change some quantities plus or minus, so you just click on the save, so it will come to the list here. So after that one, you can check again or edit again here. We made just now, we made the purchase order and we just made the save. There was a option of confirm also. If we make confirm, it will come here the another option. So now we just save it, that's why it's coming with the confirm, edit, remove, and the PDF. In the PDF you can see which product you are going to order. Okay, so in the other side, other option also is there to check the list. Here also you can check, but and this option is to update the product. If you want to change, if you want to add more, or if you want to less, you can update it here and make simply save. After that one, again you can go to the list of order. Here we are making the list of order, so you can hit in the click option, confirm button. So after clicking the confirm button, your purchase order now ready. Okay, search again. Now the confirm button has been changed to receive. Now your purchase order is ready, and the purchase order which you need to send to the supplier is here. So you will see your purchase order here, the list of product, everything, and in which to which supplier you are going to send this one here, and just simply write their email address here. Or we are ordering from the Cosmetica, so it.com. So like this you can send email mail. If you click send mail, so it will go to the supplier and they will see your order and they will deliver the product. After that, when you receive the product from your supplier, you have to check once again the product is exactly the same as you order, or there are some differences. If there is any differences in the quantity, sometimes the products will not be enough as we order to the from the supplier. So you can update here the expiry date, which is the expiry date will be 2024, 2025, maybe 2023. So you can update here the date, and batch will be the same, or batch also if you want you can change it. And here if there is any differences in the cost price, you can change that also. So save again, and after that one, updating all, you have to click in the receive. It means now you receive the product, and when you click this option OK, the stock will be updated. Item in stock will be updated as per your order. Okay, so in this way you can make an order. Purchase order. So opening stock, simply before using our software, if you have already product in your salon or in your shop, so simply you can add here that opening stocks which are available already in your salon. You can add it here. Suppose you order from the Cosmetica and the product is the keratin again, batch is anything you can give the batch, opening stock, and the expiry date you can check and fill up that one. Okay, and the quantity, how many, maybe 10 already you have, so you can simply save. Oh yes, it means opening stock I gave in short. So the time now come for the stock out. Stock out is the option to use the product in the salon. If every time when you take the you will take the new product, better to make the stock out to maintain the stock clearly in the system. Here simply you can scan the barcode of the product, and if you don't have the barcode, or if you your barcode system is not working, so simply go to the list of product and copy the barcode and come to the stock out again, and you can paste here. So it will show you the keratin automatically, how much, 1 quantity, 2 quantity, 3 quantity, and batch you can mention 1 which is available batch. This should match with the stock in item batch. Okay, so after that save, and you can make the stock out. In this way you can maintain the stock, what kind of stock is available in the system you can see here, and stock history also you can check how many stock you receive, how many stock you add, how many stock you have you have available now, so how many stock you have removed from the stock. Everything you can check in the stock history. Item in stock means available stock, available product in the system, in the salon. Okay, that's it for the inventory. Now the menu expenses menu I'm going to explain is like inventory expenses also is a different category, different like a different chapter. So the expenses menu also we have to set up something here like a category. There are different categories of the expenses inside the company, inside the salon. So you can give the you can categorize them like a utility bill, like a supplier payment for supplier, salary, rent payment. It can be different categories. So you can give them the one category. Inside that category you can uh, mention different accounts. So under the category there will be the different type of the title, account name, like one supplier you can give one name, account name. If you have a phone bill, maybe 2 3 4 5 phone you are using, mobile you are using, so every phone you can give one title, one account name, or a telephone number, internet bill, water and electricity, salary also. Salary you can mention here also as an account. Under the category of the salary, again you can add you have to put the salary account title also. Other one, expenses, after the set of this category and the account title, so now you can add the expenses. Okay, now I have added one. It is salad bill. I have paid suppose 150, and you can mention here, you can write a remark also for which month you paid the bill. So simply save, so it will add in the expenses. You can see the list also what you made the expenses up to 7 days. Only 7 days all expenses you can see here. Before more than that one you cannot see, you have to go for the report. For the report you can generate daily wise, monthly, weekly, monthly. You can generate the expenses report as per your requirement. Okay, history also you can check it here. You can see in which date what kind of expenses you made. You can simply track it here. So that's it for the expenses. And the last menu is the report. Report is the main reports like sales and tax. You can see here sales only with the more details, and the reconciliation statement. Reconciliation, it means summary of the transaction, like if you want to reconcile the amount with the report, so you can generate the reconciliation statement of the day, of the week, of the month. So you can see how much cash transaction, how much total transaction we did today. So you can tally the amount with your transaction. The receipt history is simply for the receipt which we made the transaction. Sometime we do not forget to print the receipt for the customer or for our own record. So at that time you can go simply here, receipt history, and click. So it will appear the option to print the receipt. So you can print and you can keep the records. So tax summary is the tax which we need to pay to the government. Normally we are making this UAE based, so that's why here is the VAT only. So we can mention here, we have mentioned the VAT, tax title, VAT. So tax summary, you can see the VAT, total VAT. Staff performance will be as per the service done by the employees or staffs. Every service there you can mention as per the company policy. You can give some points for every services for the appraisal and staff performance record. So whatever the service they will do, it will they will get some points. So it will accumulate as per the requirement, like if you want to see daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So you can see in the staff performance how many points they have acquired, and as per the on the basis of that one you can reward them. You can give them reward, or you can make any improvement for them. That's it for the reports, and thank you so much being with us. If you have any query, anything, you can email us.